on my tongue with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played too. He played knick-knack on my shoe with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played tree. He played knick-knack on my knee with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played four. He played knick-knack on my door with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. He played five. He played knick-knack on my height with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played six. He played knick-knack on my stick with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played seven. He played knick-knack up to heaven with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played eight. He played knick-knack on my gate with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played nine. He played knick-knack on my knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played ten. He played knick-knack once again with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. Bismillah. When we start something new, we say his name to blaze it through. Good morning sun till the moon at night. We say his name to see the light. Bismillah, Bismillah, in the name of Allah. This is what our prophet said. Muhammad Rasulullah. Bismillah, Bismillah, in the name of Allah. This is what our prophet said. Muhammad Rasulullah. Say his name so we will know. He's with us now, everywhere we go. Every bite we take, every move we make. Say his name in loving praise. Bismillah, Bismillah, in the name of Allah. This is what our prophet said. Muhammad Rasulullah. Bismillah, Bismillah, in the name of Allah. This is what our prophet said. Muhammad Rasulullah. With every word we speak and the thoughts we think, we say his name and love we seek. Every path we walk when it seems so hard, we sing his praise in the name of Allah.